Hello guys, welcome to Aspire to Inspire. Today we are talking about Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India. He is truly an inspirational personality and hope of development in India these days. In his past years, he used to be a chaiwala and he is now the Prime Minister of India. Let's get into the facts. Fact number 1. He loves poetry. He writes in Gujarati language basically. He also loves photography and he held exhibition showing his collection of pics clicked by him. Fact number 2. Modi was fond of Hindu philosophy, Hindu Dharma. When he was a teenager, he went to Himalaya alone and he stayed there for 2 years with Yogi and learned the Hindutva philosophy. Fact number 3. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has done a 3-month course in US on public relations, image management and personality development. This could be one reason behind his success. Fact number 4. Narendra Modi is a patriot since childhood. During Indo-Pak War in 1965, he has served the soldiers during the war. Fact number 5. Narendra Modi is the most popular politician in India. His Twitter account has more than 6 million followers. He is the most popular politician on Facebook also. Fact number 6. He never drinks alcohol, he never smokes and he is purely vegetarian. Fact number 7. Narendra Modi is married. His parents arranged his marriage when he was 13 and by 18 he got married. They spent little time together because Modi decided to pursue itinerant life. Fact number 8. In maximum interviews, he stated that he don't sleep much. 5 hours is the maximum duration he sleeps. He wake up by 5:30 am in any case. Fact number 9. We all are aware of Narendra Modi's love for technology. Every morning, he log into his system and read most of the things that matters to him. Fact number 10. Narendra Modi is choosy about his clothing and recently we got to know his most of the clothes are of brand Jet Blue, which is a Ahmedabad based textile company. Hope you like my video. Do like, share and subscribe and get off your lazy ass, do some hard work and remember always aspire to inspire. Hello guys.